In 1952, George Stephen Snr was working at a marine buoy factory works. A light bulb moment came to him, and he cut one of the buoys in half, added cooking grates, air vents, and added legs. The Weber Original Kettle was born, and in 2022 they celebrate 70 years. To mark this milestone, Weber have launched a limited edition 70-year anniversary kettle, packed with nostalgic and contemporary features. This fantastic barbecue comes with all of the standard features of the current Weber MasterTouch grill. But what makes purchasing this limited edition kettle from WowBBQ special? You will get the standout Hollywood gray porcelain enamel finish, 1950s car hood-inspired lid thermometer bezel, wood-like nylon handles with the original Weber logo and a special 70th anniversary emblem, 1950-style wheels that mimic the very original, solid bottom shelf with Weber anniversary logo, a 70th anniversary bottle opener and metal shack sign. If you're buying this commemorative Weber grill in the UK, then buy from the Weber experts, WowBBQ, at Sunshine Garden Center.